You probably don't remember because I don't think you worked that day. I was making an aluminum ramp for this guy, and it had to be really strong, so I had it like locked down to the bench and put everything in it. The dimensions were good. I welded a little bit, took all the clamps off. It was still straight, still looked bitchin', clamped it again, welded a little bit more, and then I went home. And then I worked on a Saturday. I don't think anybody worked on a Saturday. And so I started welding it the next day, and I just welded everything. And then when I took all the clamps off, it looked like a skateboard ramp. Like it was like this. Instead of being straight, it had warped so bad. So I took the biggest truck I could find, put the thing upside down, right? And I kept running over it to try to straighten it, and it never straightened it. So by the time you came in Monday, you said, hey, why is that ramp that you spent all that time making in the trash?
Yeah.
And I said, well, you see all the scratch marks? I tried to run it over, and then when it wouldn't work, when it wouldn't straighten itself out, I just started driving the truck across it and skidding on it and dragging it across, trying to destroy it. Once again, like thinking you know something, like obviously some shop thought they knew, and they could still be right, could still be a head gasket,
right.
But it's probably EGR cooler, right? Probably. I was just thinking about all the mistakes that we made, and I remember, I've made a bunch, but I remember that one being I spent probably 6 hours building a ramp for somebody, plus the material that I couldn't sell to anybody. I threw it in the trash, bought more material, and spent another 6 hours making another ramp for him.
Is that the time you bought that aluminum spool gun?
Exactly, just for that. Oh yeah, I bought the gun too.
Yeah,
so I invested all that shit in it. And then the guy's like, hey, is my ramp done? I'm like, no, not yet, because I couldn't tell him. Well, it's here. I mean, if you want to use it, it's got a nice arc to it. Like if you want to use it as a jump for your kid's bicycle. It'd work great, but if you want to put it on the back of your truck and move equipment up it, it's not going to work.
Yeah, and I tried welding aluminum with that thing. It welds so different. And
right,
just
steel.
When you don't know something, like you weld steel before, and you're like, okay, you know what to expect, and this thing is like, oh my gosh.
For sure.